It just helps to minimize the burden of money. There are many types of insurance, ranging from life insurance to personal accident, house insurance, goods insurance, commercial business insurance, etc. Everything that is at risk needs to be insured. My warm welcome goes to Ms. Nasreen Rashid, Executive Director Insurance at SCCP, chief guest of today's seminar, who in spite of her very busy schedule accepted our invitation to preside the proceedings for this very important event. I also welcome Mr. Hassan Ali Abdullah, Chairman Insurance Association of Pakistan, guest of honor of this seminar. Many thanks and welcome goes to the speakers. Without them, seminar like this cannot be successful. Mr. Javed Ahmed, Managing Director and CEO New Jubilee Life Insurance. Mr. P. Ahmed, CEO Pak Qatar Family Takaful. Mr. Khurram Ali Khan, Head of Underwriting EFU General Insurance. Mr. Muhammad Ali Ahmed, GM Bank Assurance Actuarial Risk and Strategic Planning EFU. And I also welcome the sponsors and media representatives for providing their support for the success of this seminar. And welcome to all guests and participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Tariq. Now I would like dear members, our chief guest and keynote speakers this evening is Ms. Nasreen Rashid, is the Executive Director, Insurance in the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. She did her Masters in English Literature from the Punjab University. A combination of life-altering events and a personal desire to be more than a housewife and mother eventually inspired her to enter a completely foreign field. She took on the challenge of mastering a new subject and began preparing independently to take the ACCI papers. She attained the associateship from the Chartered Institute of Insurance, London, with 4 distinctions, and in 1994 she embarked on an exciting, eventful career. Nasreen Rashid has had an illustrious, diverse time in the insurance sector. She became CEO of Shaheen Insurance Company after only 4 years of work experience, collaborating extensively with the South African insurance giant Pollard Insurance. She also served as Chief Operating Officer and Deputy DMD of Pakistan's largest insurance company, Adamji Insurance, for 4 years, a period fraught with challenges and achievements after the hostile takeover of the Adamji by MCB Bank. Last April, Nasreen crossed over to the other side, so to speak. She joined the SECP to serve as a regulatory authority for the same field she gained so much expertise in for 15 years. Ms. Nasreen Rashid is unique not just because she has accomplished so much in a short span of time, but also because she reached the top in a totally male-dominated sector. Today she stands as a role model for thousands of young girls who aspire to excel and become CEOs despite the gender bias in the country. She has spoken on a variety of insurance and women empowerment forums, and we look forward to new inspiring terms from her. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Nasreen Rashid.
Ladies and gentlemen, very, very good evening to all of you, and thanks for the kind words spoken. No offense meant to anybody, but I would really like to say that in the initial years, when I started my career with Adamji Insurance in the middle management level position, as a deputy manager and then as a manager, I was very pleasantly surprised. Everybody used to ask me, what do you think about the gender bias in this country? And I would say, no, there's no gender bias at all, In fact, it's a big advantage, being a woman because of our culture, men are generally very, very civilized and, they are well behaved and they go out of their way to help you and all that. I got a very big shock and a jolt when I became CEO of Shaheen Insurance. which was a totally male dominated, not male dominated, they were all, it was an all male organization. You know, they were retired Air Force people and they were serving Air Force people, and you know, for an Air Force person, you know, to accept a woman as a boss was a very, very tough thing to do. And on top of that, you know, it was a tough ride because, you know, I had to take very unpleasant and tough decisions. You know, the company's paid up capital was eroded, and, you know, it was almost going into liquidation and all that. So, you know, every day, you know, we had to terminate a lot of people and stuff like that. And then, of course, you know, another very big jolt which I got was when I came back to Adamji. I left Adamji as a manager. After 6.5 years, I came back as a deputy managing director. So, oh my God, you know, there was a huge, जो रात वाला earthquake था, कुछ भी नहीं था, किसी को पता ही नहीं चला. This one was a real one, you know. And then, you know, there were two major things which I had to face. One, everybody said that, you know, how can a woman run a company, and then a company like Adamji Insurance. And then, of course, they said that, you know, she has only 10 years or 11 years of experience. Whereas we are sitting here with 40 and 50 or 30, whatever number of years of experience. So, you know, it's a matter of, it was a big ego thing for everybody. So, you know, I said, you know, as far as being a woman is concerned, I'm sorry, I'm a woman, and I can't do anything to change that. I will always remain a woman. So, bad luck, you know, you have to accept it. But anyway, you know, to cut the long story short, it has been a very, very, not only a very tough ride, it has been a very, very eventful career, and you know, it has been a great learning experience. You know, I have always been a fighter and a survivor. You know, my fighting skills have immensely increased. You know, because when I joined the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, it was a different field altogether, you know, because, you know, even when you are heading an insurance company, you know, you are responsible for your profit and loss, and, you know, the scope is still very confined. But when you're looking at the entire industry on the whole, and a very, very, I don't want to say anything, an industry where a lot needs to be done. So, you know, the level of blackmailing and the level of threats and the court cases and everything, you know, the smear mongering and the mudslinging and everything increased tremendously. So, you know, I've been through a lot since the last 2 years. But having said that, on a more positive note, I think, yeah, when I look at, you know, young girls, I started my career at a very late age. But when I look at young girls, my own girls and my, you know, other, you know, my friends' daughters, and, you know, I think that there has been a huge improvement. Today's girls, you know, they are as well educated as the men, and very confident, very hardworking, committed, and giving a tough time to their male colleagues. So I think this augurs very well for our country, where more than 50% population is women. And so I think, you know, this is something very positive which has happened over a period of years. And there are a few slides which I have made, but I would really appreciate it to be a more interactive session, because otherwise presentations become very boring. I'll just, you know, flip through the slides, and we can just focus on slides which I think are much more relevant for the audience. First of all, can we start? जहाँ तक ये विजन का ताल्लुक है, विजन पे मैं क्यों थोड़ा सा फोकस करूँगी, because most organizations, you know, they make the management makes the vision alone without any interaction. Then they just, you know, उसको frame करके और दीवार पे लटका देते हैं. Nobody knows what it means generally, and nobody believes in it, and nobody takes any positive steps to implement it. So we thought that, you know, we should, we have a very small team in SCCP, but this was an interactive session. और इसमें ये वाले जो नहीं वापस चले विजन पे चले, ये चीज़ें anyway.